Brick and stone stand so tall, a quiet place amid it all. Traffic hums a restless stream, but inside here it feels like a dream. City church, where the light cuts through, stained glass whispers in every hue. Amid the rush, I find my truth. City church, you hold the proof. Pews are worn, they've seen the years, echoed prayers and fallen tears. The preacher's voice, it shakes the air, but it's the silence that keeps me there. Concrete jungles rise and grow, but this old church still holds its glow. City church, where the light cuts through, stained glass whispers in every hue. Amid the rush, I find my truth. City church, you hold the proof. Neon signs can't dim your flame. Your old bell tower still calls my name. When the world spins fast, I need to stay in your arms. I'm just one prayer away. City church, where the light cuts through, stained glass whispers in every hue. Amid the rush, I find my truth. City church, you hold the proof. City church,